Hi, welcome to my latest video. Today I'm going to do a bow making inspiration video. I'm not going to call it a tutorial because you'll have seen it all before. I'm going to use my fabrics that I got from my Eliza Henri bow box for November, which was these 4 A4 sheets of fabrics. I always love these fine glitters from them. And 4 A4 sheets of fabrics. This pink here is absolutely gorgeous. Right, what I'm going to start with is the transparent peekaboo, as I like to call them. So I'm going to use transparent fabric and another colour fabric underneath it so that you don't see the white of the back of the transparents. So I'm going to cut out a rough shape. And hope my wonky my cooking's quite wonky too. Hope my wonky cutting still covers it, which it does. And then I'm going to use this gorgeous chunky glitter for my tails and the centre strip. Again, just roughly line it up. I'm not that accurate or bothered about wasting a little bit of fabric. Although as a business person I should be bothered about wasting the fabric and should try and get every little bit out of it that I can. So let's cut a rough strip out for that. And we just hope this looks pretty when it's off. My machine, everything's lined up. Just get the plates and sandwich it between them. To line everything up because I wasn't paying enough attention, but yes, it has. I hope. Yeah. So we have all of our bow parts here. We've got a smaller loop, tail, centre strip, and a transparent loop. I'm going to take that away. I'll clean that later. So what I'm going to start with here is my glue gun, of course. I'm going to glue this together. Next I'm going to put a bit of glue there. Make sure it's straight. And to the centre. I did want to do this really dopey when I was half asleep, and obviously I did white the inside out and put the pattern facing inside. I get a bit dopey when I'm tired. I'm going to add on a clip. So there we go, there's the completed bow, all layered up. You can see the layers there. Some people like to put like little flowers inside, but kind of like the layered look more. So there we go. Thank you for watching.